It's the hottest dish in the streets. It's what everyone's talking about on Facebook,
Twitters and Facebooks and all that stuff.
It's time for Big Tigger's Trending Topics on V103.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Trending Topics Law and Order Edition. 411 on all your favorite folks. You hear that noise? You know somebody in trouble. Well, I talked about it yesterday in the Trending Topics, and the update is now this. The woman suing Derrick for allegedly gang raping her with his friends may no longer use a pseudonym and must reveal her identity. The woman who filed the lawsuit under the name Jane Doe in an effort to stay anonymous and protect her privacy. Typically, the law allows someone who claims to be a victim of a sex crime to file a lawsuit under that pseudonym to protect that. But Rose filed court documents saying Doe's abused the privilege by going on a nationwide pretrial media blitz over the past week, which included phone interviews and a news conference. Now it seems the judge agrees. U.S. District Judge Michael W. Fitzgerald ruled she must disclose her real name when the case goes to trial. Stop being messy, people. Speaking of being messy, our next story in the Law and Order edition. So a young lady who claimed Chris Brown threatened her and all kinds of stuff at his own house. New details in that situation. His attorney, Mark, just suggested the case against Chris has fallen apart when Chris was arrested August 30th. He was due in court for an arraignment this past Tuesday, a.k.a. yesterday. Not only did the DA miss that deadline, but confirmed the cops haven't even presented the file to the DA yet. Law enforcement sources say detectives are knee-deep in the investigation, interviewing witnesses and compiling evidence. TMZ learned the arraignment date has been extended 15 days so detectives can complete that investigation and send the case to prosecutors. Brown was arrested for that assault with a deadly weapon after allegedly pointing a gun at house guest Bailey Curran. Meanwhile, Chris is cashing in on the whole ordeal, selling these shirts that says, "This bleep is lying." Got a crying face of a melanin deficient person on the, in his own artistic way, tells us exactly how he feels without saying who it is. That is the update in this particular Law and Order edition. Mr. DePaul, head on over to v-103.com. You can not only listen in its entirety, you can see my messy face. More Big Tigger Show right now.
The People Station, V103.